Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts Designs. Yeah, sorry about the fish tank being so incredibly loud. I can't even begin to describe I'm gonna say month that we've had. So, anyway, I got a quick unmolding. Yeah, kind of overrun. That's all I'm gonna say. Kind of an overrun. And weirdly enough, I'm gonna start with the overruns. These are some leftover Angelina film that I had. 15 years old at least, more like 18 years old at least. Anyway, I have new stuff. Just one of those crafters. There for some reason I have to use up the old stuff first. Lord. Oh, that is pretty. It needs another backer color on it, but that's really pretty. I say black. The black ink that the black pigment that I used is that I don't know. The YRYMHT or whatever. See if I can hold it still for you. And the holographic glitter. I don't even know what brand. Alright, oh, that is so pretty. That violet. Oh, that is pretty. Now, this backer resin is still a little bit... yeah. Some of it is cured rock hard, and some of it is still a little tacky. Goodness. Okay. Welcome back to I Cut Them All Apart now. The pretty violet one. I just love this one. Don't worry, I'll cut all that stuff off. This one I believe is also the violet. Just a couple of them are the same color Angelina film. But this one had a little bleed over of this leftover purple glitter that I had. Oh, I'm telling you. Now, the leftover purple glitter was just supposed to go behind this silver and you were never going to see it. But these, the fronts, when I put the Angelina film down, now, it had been 45 minutes, I think, before I put the Angelina film down, so it was a tacky surface. And then I waited 2 hours before I even went back to pour the back layer. Well, to pour this leftover purple, sorry. And I just poured it what I had left in the one. And it overflowed. Yeah. It overflowed, but it should have overflowed everywhere. Would have been so cool. Alright. Now, this is Mylar wrapping paper. And the wrapping paper itself has a holographic snowflake on it. Pattern on it. Yeah, you can't. You can't see that. Yeah. Okay. I love this one. Oh my gosh, that Angelina film is so gorgeous. So dynamic. Oh. Oh, I'm smitten. Really pretty. Oh, now this is the same as that. Oh, so gorgeous. I hope y'all are seeing the same thing I'm seeing. Wow. So this one is actually different. I don't know why it flashes the same, but still. Alright, this one looks the same as well. I'm sorry. These are actually different. And now I can see that these two are the same. These two are also the same. These are kind of a more of a peacocky, purpley blue flash. Again, these two are the Mylar wrapping paper. Now that one turned out mesmerizing. Oh, this one is the same, except I crinkled this one. Now, on the silver ones, there wasn't an uncrinkled bit, sorry. On this one, you can kind of get a little bit of that holographic snowflake print a bit. Although you can't tell it's snowflake at all. Alright. I will do these again. And the first fail was, this was all supposed to be on camera. Yeah. It really and truly has been a week. At least it's been a month. But this week has been crazy. I don't know what holidays do to us, but for some weird reason, we cannot survive a holiday, or I won't say important event, a life-changing event, without car trouble, dare I say. It's not even car trouble, car death. Alright, enough ranting, I'm sorry. I hope y'all have a good day. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now.